everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Beauty Week. So, you know what? I'm not gonna lie, this hair that I've got going on right now, I hate to say it, but I did actually just wake up and my hair looked like this. Also, sorry once again, the scaffolders are still here making lots of noise, so there's literally nothing I can do. I can't ask them to stop, be like, excuse me sir, can you please stop? I need to do a hair tutorial. It ain't happening. But anyway, so I am reviewing this week these two hair curlers by Beauty Works. So originally when I did the first one, I wasn't like super crazy impressed. I was a bit like meh, but actually I've grown to really like it. I've realized that I think I had the heat up too high and I prefer having more of a looser wave. So I've grown to really like it. Whereas this one, so this one I've never tried before. This is gonna be my first go using it. So the other one, the previous one was 38mm. This one is the 25mm, I think, or maybe the other one was 35 and this is 28. Either way, this is meant to create tighter, like kind of kinkier waves. So I've got more hair extensions in now. I've fixed my hair. My hair has not got that weird like orange patch here anymore. I went to have my hair wet-ish, damp, and I woke up and it looked like this. With it being hair extensions, it's kind of like done something really quite nice. But I wanna see how this goes. It automatically, when you turn it on, it defaults to 180 degrees. I think I put mine at 160. Also, it's better for your hair. That way, less heat. So I put it on 160 and I find that I usually get quite a good cut from it. So anyway, let's see how this gets on. I've used some heat protector spray on my hair extensions. It's the Kerastase one. I'll link to that as well. So yeah. The finished result. Oh my god, I've got so much hair. I really like this curler. So I will admit two things. I changed the temperature from 160 to 140 because I wanted, and I also started sort of like leaving it on for less amount of time. I'm not sure if you could see that in the video when it was sped up. Also, like, obviously, like, you learn tips and tricks. Like, that was the first time using that curler. So I prefer, actually, do I prefer? Yeah, I prefer kind of how it is on this side to this side, because that, like, really pulls up that, like, bit there of the fringe. So you can see, like, this curl is perhaps more defined than these ones because I changed the temperature at this point. I actually really impressed with it. I've also Usually I gave it about 45 minutes between curling it to now to let the curls settle. I always style my hair and then I'm like, whoa, look how curly it is. And then obviously the curls do drop a little bit. So yeah, and also as well, annoyingly, compared to my previous video, I have got more hair extensions in and they're positioned in different places. So that is also gonna affect things. So yeah, so if you wanna just brush them out, it kind of makes them just blend more in to each other a little bit. It's always good to brush them out. If they're too curly, it's best to brush them out when they're warm so it doesn't like set as much. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna wear any hairspray with this because I don't feel like I need to, and I want them to drop out just that little bit more so it goes a little bit more just like chilled and wavy. So yeah, I'm probably gonna leave them. So yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. Any questions, please do DM me, and make sure you do follow me on Instagram as well at @SophieMilner_FS. I have put the link below, and yeah, any links to stuff below, please check back in because I'm doing a video every single day this week of beauty things. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Waste all your breath.